සම්මන්ත්‍රණය පටන් ගන්න හිතුවා. මේ සම්මන්ත්‍රණය ඉංග්‍රීසි භාෂාව සම්මන්ත්‍රණය. ඔයා විශ්වාස කරන්න මම දැකලා තියෙන අමුතුම වර්ගයේ සෙමිනාර් එකක්. මොකද හේතුව එක් දිනකින් සම්මන්ත්‍රණය ඉංග්‍රීසි කවර් කරන්න පුළුවන් කියන එක මම දැනගෙන හිටියේ නෑ ඇත්තටම. අපේ සර් තමයි මේක නිර්මාතෘ. එතුමා කිව්වා දිනකින් මට පුළුවන් දරුවන්ට නොමිලේ ඉංග්‍රීසි භාෂාව කවර් කරලා දෙන්න කියලා. මෙන්න මේ අරමුණ ඇතුව අපි පටන් ගත්ත ලර්න් ක්ලාස් එකේ හරි පුදුම සම්මන්ත්‍රණය කියන එක ඉංග්‍රීසි භාෂාව සම්බන්ධ කරගෙන. ඉංග්‍රීසි කියන්නේ එක කතා කරලා පාඩමකට කියන්නේ ඉංග්‍රීසි කියන්නේ භාෂාව. ඉංග්‍රීසි කියන්නේ භාෂාව. මොන භාෂාවක්ද? ජාත්‍යන්තර භාෂාව. Okay. ඒ අපි ඉගෙන ගන්න කාලේ ජාත්‍යන්තර භාෂාවක් කිව්වේ. භාෂාව වල තව දින ජාත්‍යන්තර භාෂා ටැලින් කියන්නේ ජාත්‍යන්තර භාෂාව. ස්පැනිෂ්
You ready? Let's go. Yeah. For those of you that want to know what we're all about, it's like this, y'all. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name. He doesn't need his name up in lights, he just wants to be heard, whether it's the beat of the mic. He feels so unlike everybody else, alone, in spite of the fact that some people still think that they know him, but fuck him, he knows the code. It's not about the salary, it's all about reality and making some noise, making a story, making sure his click stays up. That means when he puts it down, Tox picking it up. Let's go.
Who the hell is he anyway? He never really talks much, never concerned with status, but still even in starstruck. Humble through opportunities given despite the fact that many misjudge him cause he makes a living from writing raps. Put it together himself, got a picture connects, never asking for someone's help or to get some respect. He's only focused on what he wrote, his will is beyond reach, and now it all unfolds, the skill of an artist. This is 20% skill, 80% beer, be 100% clear, cause Ryu was ill. Who would've thought he'd be the one that set the West in flames? And I heard him wreck it with the crystal method, name of the game. Came back, dropped Megadeth, took him to church. I like Bleach, man. Ryu had the stupidest verse, this dude is the truth. Now everybody giving them guest spots and stocks through the roof. I heard him fucking with that stock. Is porcupine, he's a prick, he's a cop. The type women wanna be within rappers, hope he gets shot. 8 years in the making, patiently waiting to blow. Now the record with your notice taking over the globe. He's got a partner in crime, this shit is equally dope.
Proper nouns, common nouns, collective nouns, material nouns, abstract nouns. Very good. You want to give me a girl? කියමු කොහොමද බෙදලා යන්නේ වෙන්න නාම පද පහවක් කිව්වේ නැත්නම් අදහව. එක වෙලාවක් තියෙනවා පැයක් විතර තියෙන නවතර එක එක තුනයි පස් තමයි යන්නේ. ඒක නිසා ප්‍රැක්ටිස් කරනවා කිව්වේ. කියමු. Proper noun. Proper noun, common nouns, collective nouns, material nouns. Actually I just had a conversation with her because I wanted to, this is a great chance for you to understand how our earlier students practice things. As well as Metwan also, they have a nice experience as teachers. We enjoy very much when we are practicing English for them because they use that. So, there is only just 2-3 minutes. Now I would like to give a chance for her to tell about her history as well as about this concept that means Ekdinagi Sapuni Visibasa. So this is chance for you to present your ideas about the seminar.
Thank you, sir. One day, 24 hours. It is a biggest miracle. No one can do this, but the only one who can do this well is only our honorable sir, Dr. Abhiranda Bhatta. This is a free seminar. You all can learn well, and also look. No, there are no strict rules. You all enjoy. You all sing songs. Also, you will play games like that. You all can enjoy. Actually, about this college, I start to share more memories I have and with my brother also. I'm in the neighbor of the at 2014, like that. I'm a kid. I'm a little kid, very little one. My age is 7, just 7. Taking books and running with my friends. He's also come. There are so many friends. They are not here, but always in my heart. Always be shouting. Actually, there are meditating also, but we are shouting. For what? We are shouting, teacher, I am the winner. Because we play. We don't stress. We just play. We play like sciences, games, and say words. Give you the words. We always shout and I do this, I do this, I do, and reading, writing like this. We have lots of fun. We had lots of fun, and also we learned English very well. This is the thing, because all the teachers are not criticizing anyone. Okay, I'm not criticizing anyone. I'm just telling the truth and the best thing about sir and teacher. My mummy also here. I'm also here. I'm at grade 8. The time is clashed. My science class is also at the same time, and I didn't come to the English class at that time. But I never went on another class to English.
දශක තුනකට අධික කාලයක සිට ඉංග්‍රීසි පමණක්ම නොව දහස් සංඛ්‍යාත සිසුන්ගේ ජීවිතය එළිය කෙරූ Learn Well English College